Hi everyone, welcome back to your Cup of Joe. This is Joe Wilkinson, financial advisor with Fogus Financial Group. Today we're here to talk about home ownership. Currently in America, more millennials and the younger generation are living with their parents than any generation since the Great Depression. This is problematic. Number one, housing prices are near or at all-time highs, and interest rates are near or at millennium highs since early 2000s. What happens when interest rates rise on a house? Well, that house becomes more expensive to own. Paying 8% for a $500,000 house versus 3% represents thousands of dollars of difference in spending over the course of a year. So, as people go out to buy houses, the higher interest rates are going to affect their month-to-month ability to spend money elsewhere. You may hear real estate agents saying, buy the house and rent the rate. What they say when they mean that is buy the house in the high rate environment and wait for rates to cool down so that you can refinance that mortgage. Typically, when interest rates have risen on houses to this level, housing prices will eventually come down because the demand to buy those houses cools. As houses become more affordable and interest rates lower, those houses are going to get more expensive. You saw this happen in 2020 through 2022. Now that we're in an 8% rate environment on the 30-year mortgage, the demand for those mortgages is at the lowest it's been since 1995. What does this mean for you as a homeowner? Well, if your mortgage is paid off or if you're locked into your mortgage rate, it means nothing for you other than continue to pay your bills and enjoy your home. Those who have to sell their home are facing less buyers willing to buy their home. When there's less buyers willing to buy your home, typically that's going to affect the bid prices put in on the asking price of your home. Therefore, for those who need to sell their house or are considering selling their house, it may be time to talk to your financial professional or your advisor about, hey, how are these higher rates going to affect the valuation of my house? And what's going to happen if I want to move houses to be in a different home with my family? All of these questions are questions we're happy to help you answer here at Fogus Financial Group. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Make sure to like and subscribe to this video, and feel free to share it with your family and friends. As always, this is Joe Wilkinson with Fogus Financial Group, giving you your daily Cup of Joe. Thanks for tuning in.